Welcome to Get Solutions. So this is Lokesh. So in this session we have to solve the problem under Hungarian method or assignment model. So this is fifth problem. Okay. So if you still not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, so please subscribe today only so that you will get my latest videos. Okay. Let's take down the fifth problem. See, 5 swimmers are eligible to compete in a relay team which is consist of 5 swimmers. So how many swimmers are there? So please make it underline, 5 swimmers. So swimming 4 different swimming styles. So 5 swimmers are there and they are participating in 5 different swimming styles. Okay, let's see what are the different swimming styles. So one is backstroke and second one is breaststroke and third one freestyle and the fourth one butterfly. Okay, so how many swimming styles are there? So 4 swimming styles are there. Let's take down swimming styles. So first style, backstroke. Backstroke. And second style, breaststroke. Breaststroke. And third one, freestyle. Freestyle. And the last style, butterfly. Butterfly style. Okay, 4 swimming styles. Okay, next see the time taken for 5 swimmers: Anand, Bhaskar, Chandru, Dorai and Ishwars. So in this line they have given the 5 different swimmers. Okay, so first one Anand and second swimmer Bhaskar and third swimmer Chandru and next Dorai, next last swimmer Ishwar. Okay, last swimmer Ishwar. So if you will get any confusions, so please make a line. Okay, so 4 styles are given and 5 swimmers are given. So here you take swimmers and styles, swimming styles. Okay, see, so the 5 swimmers Anand, Bhaskar, Chandru, Dorai and Ishwar to cover a distance of 100 meters. So all the swimmers participating to cover the distance of 100 meters in swimming. Okay, so in various swimming styles are given below in minutes and seconds. So the information will be given in minutes and seconds. So this is very important. The information will be given in minutes and seconds. Keep it in mind. See, Anand swims the backstroke in 1 minute 9 seconds. So take down Anand swims backstroke style in 1 minute 9 seconds. Okay, so take down like that. The breaststroke in 1 minute 15 seconds. So breaststroke 1 minute 15 seconds and has never competed in the freestyle or butterfly. Okay, so Anand participated in backstroke and swims 1 minute 9 seconds and in breaststroke 1 minute 15 seconds, and Anand never participated in freestyle and butterfly. So we have to prohibit the 2 cells because of some factors. Anand not going to participate in freestyle and butterfly. So in order to prohibit the cell, we have to use hyphen or dash or minus symbol or infinity symbol or M symbol. Okay, breaststroke 1.15. Okay, and has never competed in freestyle or butterfly. Okay, next see information related to Bhaskar. So Bhaskar is a freestyle specialist. So Bhaskar is a freestyle, that is third style. Okay, so freestyle specialist, averaging 1 minute 1 second. So Bhaskar is a freestyle specialist. Bhaskar swims freestyle in 1 minute 1 second. Okay, so 1 minute 1 second for the 100 meters, but can also swim the breaststroke 1 minute 16 seconds. And also Bhaskar participated in breaststroke to swim 1 minute 16 seconds. So 1 minute 16 seconds, and butterfly 1 minute 20 seconds, and butterfly 1 minute 20 seconds. Okay, so carefully observe the informations. You have to allocate the timings to the respective persons for respective styles. Okay, next see the information related to Chandru is given. Okay, so Chandru swims all styles, backstroke 1:10, that is 1 minute 10 seconds. So Chandru swims backstroke 1 minute 10 seconds, and butterfly, so butterfly last style, that is 1 minute 12 seconds, and freestyle 1:5 seconds, and freestyle 1:5 seconds, that is 1 minute 5 seconds, and breaststroke 1 minute 20 seconds, 1 minute 20 seconds. Okay, and Dorai swims only the butterfly. Okay, so 1 minute 11 seconds. So Dorai swims only the butterfly 1 minute 11 seconds. Okay, 1 minute 11 seconds. While Ishwar swims the backstroke, so Ishwar participated in backstroke to swim, that is 1 minute, how much? Ishwar swims the backstroke 1 minute 20 seconds, and the breaststroke, that is second style, 1 minute 16 seconds, and the freestyle third style, that is 1 minute 6 seconds, and the butterfly 1 minute 10 seconds. So which swimmer should be assigned to which swimming style, who will not be in the relay? So in this problem we have to allocate the different persons or different swimmers to the different swimming styles, and also we have to find out which swimmer is not allocated to particular swimming style. So we have to ignore this cells because Bhaskar not participated in backstroke and Dorai only participated in butterfly. So in order to prohibit the cell, we have to use dash or minus symbols, or you can use infinity or m symbol. So this is the first step. Okay, now we have to convert this minutes or seconds. So minutes or seconds. Okay, so ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾದರೂ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, see, we know that the given problem is minimization problem, because with the minimum time, who will be cover the distance of 100 meters, they will be going to win, right? So the objective is to minimize, that is minimization of timings for the swimming under different swimming styles. So ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ನ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಾದರೂ ಆಗಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, so how many seconds for 1 minute? That is exactly 60 seconds for 1 minute, right? So how many minutes? So Anand participated in backstroke and he also swims backstroke style in 1 minute and 9 seconds. 1 minute 9 seconds means, so 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds, right? Plus how many additional seconds? That is 9 seconds. So similarly 1 minute in the sense 60 seconds plus additional 15 seconds. So we are converting the minute into completely into seconds. Okay, so we have to ignore this, prohibit. So 1 minute means 60 plus 16. Again 1 minute means 60 plus 01. Next 60 plus 20. That is we are converting minutes into seconds for the purpose of calculation optimal time to allocate the various swimmers to the different swimming style. So 1 minute means 60 seconds plus additional 10 seconds. Next 1 minute in the sense 60 plus 20 and 60 plus 5 and 60 plus 12. We have to ignore this, and 60 plus 11, 60 plus 20 and 60 plus 16 and 60 plus 6 and 60 plus 10. Okay, now we have to convert this matrix into complete into seconds. Okay, see how many styles are there? 4 styles are there. So back stroke and breast stroke, and third one freestyle, and last one butterfly. Okay, so how many swimmers are there? So Anand, Bhaskar, Chandru, Dorai and Ishwar. Okay, so you have to write full names. Okay, see here, 60 plus 9, that is 60 seconds plus 9 seconds, that is 1 minute plus 9 seconds. Okay, so we are converting for the purpose of calculating the optimal time. Okay, so 60 plus 9, 69 seconds totally. Okay, next 60 plus 15, 60 plus 70, 75, so 75. Here we have to prohibit the cells. Next, see, next 60 plus 16, 60, 70, 76, so 76. Next 60 plus 1, 61 seconds. Next 60 plus 20, 60, 70, 80. Next 60 plus 10, 70. Next 60 plus 20, 80. Next 60 plus 5, 65. Next 60 plus 12, 60, 70, 72. Next we have to ignore these 3 cells because Dorai not participating in 3 styles. They have only participated in butterfly. Okay, 60 plus 11, 60, 70, 71. Okay, next 60 plus 20, 80. Next 60 plus 16, 60, 70, 76. Next 60 plus 6, 66. So 60 plus 10, 70. Now we have the problem. Now you can proceed to calculate optimal time, that is optimal seconds to allocate the different swimmers to the different styles, and you have to find out which swimmer is not allocated to which style. Okay, so after this, see, the first step in this problem, we have to confirm whether the given transportation problem is minimization problem or maximization problem, right? So ultimately they have given the time. Okay, so within minimum time we have to cover 100 meters, that is swimmer cover 100 meters, right? So ultimately we are confirming that the given transportation problem is based on the minimization problem. Okay, so step number 2, that is we have to confirm whether the given matrix is transportation, that is given matrix or given transportation problem is balanced or not. See, how many swimmers are there? 5 swimmers are there, but only 4 styles are there. 5 swimmers are there, but only 4 swimming styles are there. So we, in the second step, that is Hungarian method, we have to balance, right? So how we are going to balance? That is by adding dummy column or dummy row. Okay, see, in this case 5 swimmers are there, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, next 4 different swimming styles are there, back stroke and breast stroke and freestyle, and last one butterfly style. Okay, so 69 hyphen 70 hyphen 80. Next 75 76 80 hyphen 76. Next hyphen 61 65 hyphen 66. Next prohibited cell 80 72 71 and 17. Okay, so 5 persons are there, that is 5 swimmers are there, there is only 4 different styles are there. So in order to make this unbalanced transportation problem or assignment problem into balanced one, we have to add the dummy column. Okay, see, dummy column, or you can also give any other numbers, that is other styles. Okay, see, I am going to add zeros. In this problem, I am going to introduce 0 seconds to make unbalanced transportation problem into balanced transportation problem. Now, we are conforming under second stage. The problem will be converted into balanced transportation problem. Okay, so under second step, you have to write unbalanced transportation problem converted into balanced transportation problem. Okay, so balanced transportation problem. So after that, you have to, that is third step, that is row subtraction. See, row subtraction, third step. So third step, step number 3, row subtraction. Okay, so in each row you have the least number 0, so you will get the same numbers. Okay, so ella row nallu least number bandu 0 irodrinda you will get same numbers in third step. Okay, so ide matrix na third step alli barkoli. Okay, next fourth step, column subtraction. Okay, see, in this column subtraction, which is the least number? So 69 is the least number. So 60 minus 69, 69 minus 69, and 70 minus 69, and 80 minus 69. Next, in the second column, which is the least number, 75 is the least number. So 75 minus 75, and 76 minus 75, and 80 minus 75, and we have to prohibit this cell, and 76 minus 75. Okay, next we have to prohibit this cell. In the third column, which is the least number, 65 is the least number, right? So sorry, 61 is the least number. So 61 minus 61, 65 minus 61, and we have to prohibit the cell, and 66 minus 61. Next, in fourth column, which is the least number, 70 is the least number. So 70 minus 70, 71 minus 70, and 72 minus 70, and 80 minus 70. So in the fifth column, the 0 is the least number. So in order to get column subtracted table, we have to simplify this matrix. Okay, so based on this calculations. So how many swimmers are there? 5 swimmers, A, B, C, D, E. And how many styles are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 styles are there. Okay, so column subtracted table, 69 minus 69, that is 0, and we have to prohibit this cell. Next, 70 minus 69, 1. Next, we have to prohibit this cells. Next, 80 minus 69, that is 11. Okay, next, 75 minus 75, 0. 76 minus 75, 1. Next, 80 minus 75, 5. Next, we have to prohibit this particular cell. Next, 76 minus 75, again 1. Okay, next, third column, we have to prohibit this particular cell. 61 minus 61, that is 0. Next, 65 minus 61, you will get 4. Next, we have to prohibit this particular cell, and 66 minus 61, that is 5. Okay, next, in fourth column, we have to prohibit this particular cell, and 80 minus 70, you will get 10, and 72 minus 70 you will get 2, and 71 minus 70 you will get 1, and 70 minus 70 0. So in fifth column you will get all zeros. So this is the column subtracted table. So what is the next step? That is step number 5. So in step number 5 we have to draw the minimum number of lines which cover all the zeros. So we have to draw the minimum number of lines which cover all the zeros. So up to how many lines we have to use? Up to maximum 5 lines we have to use it to cancel all the zeros. Okay, so ಇದೇ matrix na ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ because again ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Okay, see, we have to draw the minimum number of lines which cover all the zeros. Maximum 5 lines na use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. See, is there any possibility to cancel all the zeros by using single line? 1, no. Next, double line, 1, 2, no, it is not possible. Next, triple line, 1, 2, next 3, next 4. We have to use 4 lines. By 4 lines all the zeros will be going to cancelled. Now this step will be again going to continue. So how it will be continue in the sense, we have to select the least number from the uncovered number, right, to get another matrix. So which is the least number from this uncovered number? So ultimately 1 is the least number. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 10 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 1. So we have to add the least number which is uncovered. So we have to add that least number to the intersected points. Okay, so add to the intersected point. There are 4 intersected points, therefore we are adding plus 1 to that intersected points. Then we have to simplify this matrix to get the another matrix. See, how many swimmers are there? 5 swimmers are there. How many styles are there? 5 different styles are there. Okay, take down 0, 0, next plus 1, next 1, next hyphen, 1 minus 1, 0, next we have 0, next 10 minus 1, 9, and again 0, next 1 minus 1, 0, and 5 minus 1, 4, next 4, 2 minus 1, 1, next 0, next prohibit all the cells, next 1 minus 1, okay, 1 minus 1, 0, and last one 0, next 11, 1, 5 plus 1, 6 here, and again 0, next 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, so in this matrix, see, one thing you have to observe. How many intersected points are there? 4 intersected points. So we are adding this least number to all intersected points. Is it or not? Yes. See, we are adding plus 1 to first intersected points, but that particular cell will be prohibited. Therefore, in simplifying matrix also we have to ignore that plus 1. See, 0, 0. So plus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So intersected points, but that particular cell is already prohibited. So therefore we have to ignore that particular cell. Again see, this is not a prohibited cell. So therefore we are adding plus 1 here. Okay, next, okay, next there is no prohibited cell with the intersected points. So therefore this is the matrix. So this is the special adjustment, you have to keep it in mind. So don't add that plus 1 to this matrix. Okay, now see, up to 5 maximum lines we have to use to cover all the zeros. See, is there any possibility to 1 line, 2 line, 3 line by 4 line? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and see, is there here 1 0 is there, so ultimately 5. Now this step will be going to end here, that is fifth step will be going to end here. Next, sixth step, write down the fresh assignment problem. Okay, step number 6, write down fresh assignment problem. Okay, so how many swimmers are there? 5 swimmers are there, and 5 different styles are there. One is dummy style. Okay, see, write down the all the values, that is 0, 0, infinity, infinity, or hyphen, hyphen, 1. Next, 0, 0, 9 and 0. Next, 0, 4, 4, 1, 0. Next, hyphen, 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 0, 0. Next, 11, 1, 6, 0, 1. So fresh assignment problem na ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, next, what is the seventh step? Step number 7. So we have to select zeros for row and column. Okay, so we should not select the 0 in the same column, that is repeated 0 in the same column or same row. So I am going to use in this step only. So ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತು ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನೇ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 ರೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 ಕಾಲಮ್. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೋಗೆ ಝೀರೋಸ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಿ, ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದೇ 0 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 0. Okay, so in examination use pencils. Okay, see, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ 0ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದರ್ 0 ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ರೋ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಝೀರೋಸ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 0 in the same row. Next, I am going to select this 0 in this column and for this row, then it is not possible to select this 0 in the same row. Next, finally I am going to select this 0. Okay, so I am allocated all the 5 swimmers to 5 different style, that is one is dummy style. Okay, now see the problem. What is the exact minutes we are allocating to the 5 persons based on the different styles? Okay, see, in this case we are allocating swimmer A to, that is second style. So style ಯಾವುದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ B to the third style. Next, C to first style. Next, D fifth style, that is dummy style ಗೆ allocate ಮಾಡಿ. Next, E fourth style ಗೆ allocate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now see the minutes or seconds, okay, in the particular place of selected zeros. See the values or minutes. See, in this place, so ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 75 seconds. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 61 seconds. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 70 seconds. Next, Dorai. ಸೊ ಡಮ್ಮಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವ, ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 70, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 70. ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 5 + 1 6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 21 + 6 27. It is totally 276 seconds. Okay, so if you want this in minutes, you have to convert this 276 by 60, so that you will get, that is 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay, 4 minutes 6 seconds. Now see the problem again. Which swimmer should be assigned to which swimming style? So we have already completed and already given the solution for the first question, that is the different swimmers will be allocated to the different styles. Okay, so A, that is person A, that is swimmer A to second style, and B to third style, and C to first style, and D to fifth style, and E to fourth style. Okay, next, who will not be in the relay? Okay, so if A participated in second style, they are going to swim in 75 seconds. Next, B in 61 seconds, and C 70 seconds, and D 0 seconds, E 70 seconds. Then who will be not in the relay? Ultimately D will be eliminated. Okay, for the second question, D will be not in the relay. Okay, so this is the solution. If you have any doubt still in this problem, so please comment on this video, so that I will give a solution for your query. So thanks for watching.